What's up, drivers? Today's Friendly Moments starts out with a little mistake from me.
I didn't realise that's what you were doing. The car behind me knew that I was just being an idiot. I thought, well, it's obvious what I thought. I need to turn left at the next set of lights. I assumed all this was, left-hand lane traffic. I didn't realise the guy was parking in. Yeah, it's one lane anyway. See, I'm not familiar with this area at all. Not really. With the car behind me read that perfectly. Yep, I just helped out a Jew. And I'm not even in a good mood today.
Something I've not really discussed before in a Friendly Moment is how important it can be to just let idiots be idiots. You save yourself any aggro and needless confrontation. Plus, you don't know everyone's situation. Perhaps someone is being rushed to the hospital. Likely not most of the time, but notice how early I pick up on this BMW's behaviour. It's this glance here when I spot them approaching at quite some speed behind me.
You know what, we'll stick that in Friendly Moments because I could see what they wanted to do. I just let them do it. I wasn't exactly happy about it, but I just let them crack on with it. And now look, they've made zero progress in the behind a police van. Do you reckon they're going to do it to the police van? I bet not.
Video protected.
Yeah, of course they're not undertaking the police van in the bus lane. Well, there's a lot more space to do it down here as well. The reason I don't use the bus lane back there is because you've got to be halfway across the bloody centre line because of parked cars anyway. So I'm turning right here, that's why I'm not using the bus lane here either. There you go, see? I'm not telling porkies. Yeah, funny that, isn't it? Should we see who's driving? Young kid. There you go.
Sticking with our blue light responders for another clip, check out this early spot and excellent position and patience from geeky ads giving the ambulance plenty of options.
Video protected.
That's one way of doing it, I guess. I do have a bit of sympathy with the weather, mind.
Geeky ads again, this time demonstrating his highway code knowledge with pedestrians. It also doesn't help having that wall on the corner creating a bit of a blind spot and the woman having a pram and being on her phone. Definite potential recipe for disaster. We should all be stopping for this situation 100 times out of 100, whether she seems willing to wait or not. But now a stupid example of trying to be friendly. Let's just stop during flowing traffic and invite a pedestrian to walk out when there's still traffic flowing in the opposite direction, shall we?
Come on, dude, what are you fucking... Nah, you can have that, because that's not helpful.
Video
Why
protected.
are you letting a fucking pedestrian cross here when there's a traffic signal right fucking there?
Now it's time for some clips about flashing headlights. Notice that the oncoming car had to brake. Says it all. Stop pressuring people out of junctions. Let them find their own gaps. Then of course we've got flashing other drivers through with zero awareness of what's behind you.
Yeah.
Thankfully TR had the right idea during this clip. Make sure everyone is on the same page before you accept someone's invitation to go.
It's all well and good. Due to both of you.
But what's everyone's feelings on flashing in these situations? If there's clearly no one else, such as pedestrians waiting to cross who can become confused thinking the flash is for them, then no harm, right? Although professional drivers should be able to read the fact that you're slowing down for them alone. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Anyway, let's continue showing some love towards the larger vehicles on our roads.
Oh boy. Could have waited for me to back up, do you not think?
Now each of these spots gets more impressive than the last. You can tell with these two clips from Killaway, he's done this 10,000 times before. Geekyards makes excellent selfless use of the available space. And why do you think he's already slowing down and growing the gap in this clip? Local knowledge plus planning and awareness equals fantastic friendly driving. For all the stick ads gets in my videos, he deserves credit where it's due. More of this stuff please, brother.
Video protected.
A superb long distance spot from Al Jawan in this clip, but this is absolutely nothing compared to this next one.
On the break, I've been saving this one, Michael. This is
Especially considering the dashcam sits higher than the driver's eyes. Pulling this one out of the bag is simply ludicrous. Have you got a bloody crystal ball in your passenger seat or something? This truck could have picked a much better place to park, but look at it this way. It provided the opportunity for me and the Vauxhall in front to practice our roadcraft. We can all do with a little bit of faith restoration in humanity every now and again, so what about these clips showing two very unlikely road users also getting in on all this fun?
A BMW being nice? What is this madness?
I do this one quite a lot, usually just from the fear of someone emerging as I'm turning in front of them. Just be sure that if you're letting someone out in this situation where there's more than one lane, that you aren't just inviting them into trouble.
We'll never let him fucking all of them out, will we? No, alright, go on then, we are. I looked at it to make sure first. Okay, alright, I guess all of you, yeah.
But anyway, that's all we've got time for today. Huge thank you to my amazing supporters. If you'd like your name in the credits of my videos, amongst a bunch of other great perks, including personalised private videos, shoutouts and free merch that you can earn, please check out the links in the description. But stay friendly everyone, and I'll see you again very soon. Peace.